Good morning from Epcot. We're here for the 2025 Festival of the Arts. Arts. We're going to go in, we're going to eat some food. Join us.
Welcome to the 2025 Epcot International Festival of the Arts. This festival is a celebration of creativity where food, art, entertainment come together in the most colorful way. From stunning culinary masterpieces to live performances and interactive exhibits, there's something for every artist at heart. Get ready to explore, taste, and be inspired because at Epcot, the world is your canvas. Discover Disney art and unique pieces created by visiting artists at the festival markets throughout the park. Plus, you'll find a festival merchandise collection featuring everyone's favorite purple dragon, Figment, at Creation Shop and Communicore Hall.
Okay, we've got our first Festival of the Arts food item. It's the Liege waffle from Connections Cafe. We're going to try it right now.
I didn't get any napkins, but we have napkins in the back. You want me to cut it in half?
Just rip it apart. Oh.
It's got the ube filling in the middle. The ube filling in the middle. It's the first time we've gotten the Liege waffle. For some reason, I think it'd be better if it was warmed up.
Doesn't that defeat the purpose of it being a Liege waffle?
I don't know. I don't know what a Liege waffle means. Is that what it means? Does Liege waffle mean cold waffle?
Yes.
Okay. So it's good. Figment waffle was $5.79 plus tax.
Yeah,
Oh, and we got
it's a winner.
our card filled for $100. So we're gonna see how far $100 gets us today. Are we counting your latte?
No.
Okay. This is our second go round. We were at opening Bites, and it's right next to the new Encanto stage in the middle. It's great. When we were standing in line, we got to see a little bit of the show, so got entertained while we were waiting in line. Line wasn't too bad. I wouldn't say it was too bad. But what did we get? All right. Well, we got the soft shell crab slider. We got the enchanted rose. We got the beer flight. And if you want to know what's in the beer flight, those are the beers in the beer flight. And we got the Brut champagne. It's longer name than that, but you get the gist. And the total for all of this was $36.25. So combined with the about $6 for the Liege waffle, that puts us at $42 about, roundabout. I'm going for the legs. I don't care. They don't freak me out. That's pretty good. That's pretty delicious. I think so far, best thing so far I've had today.
Okay, you've only had a waffle.
I know. Well, I mean, and we're going. I mean, I'm being honest. So, it's perfectly fried. Like, it's not just like a soft shell crab should be. So, Not a lot of breading on it. Just looked like they just kind of flash fried it, put it on the bun. The sauce is awesome. You got some coleslaw on there. You got some, looks like some pickled red onions and some little green, maybe probably, I don't think it's cilantro, but it's delicious. All good. Now we're gonna try the Enchanted Rose. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Ooh, can you see it? So it looks like there's the mousse on the inside, and then on the very inside, I think, is that rose kind of gelée. So let's try it. It looks like it's on like some kind of a cookie, almost like a gingerbread cookie, but trying to get almost all of it. All right, here we go. It's a lot of mousse. Like, all I can taste is mousse. Yeah, so, I mean, I'm not a big sweet person, so I prefer the stuff in the middle, the gelée, and a little bit of the mousse. For me, that tastes really good.
Okay, so the Enchanted Rose, I had high hopes for this. But it's a complete mess. It's just another one of Disney's mousse desserts. It's worth it for the gram. That's about it. Like, it's just mousse. There's a strawberry gelée or raspberry gelée in it. But yeah, I don't need to have this again. And Disney, stop making all your desserts mousse. Or a cupcake.
Experience the magic of Broadway, both on and off the stage, in this walkthrough exhibit celebrating 3 decades of Disney on Broadway. Discover costumes and props from your favorite stage musicals, then venture behind the scenes to see how the classic animated films The Lion King and Aladdin were reimagined for the Broadway stage.
It's not a trash can. So we're here at Deconstructed Dish, and we've gotten the deconstructed BLT. Look at that egg. Oh my god. And we also got the deconstructed key lime pie. So we're gonna give these a try.
Key lime pie. And both of these together. were $13.75.
All right, so we're gonna try these. We should have brought our silverware.
I just go like that. Thoughts? Feelings?
It's good. I wish it was warmer.
Yeah, I guess that's the the festival food. It's hard to regulate the temperature of things. But I mean, they should know that and maybe not make food that needs to taste its best when it's warmed up. Does that make sense?
I think it's worth getting.
Yeah, it's a nice little sneaky snack.
The pork belly is good. It might be even a little overcooked.
Yeah,
But
all the components are good.
yeah.
I mean, and separately and together. But yeah, I think that pork belly is a little bit overdone. You ready for your second helping of mousse dessert? So this is the deconstructed key lime pie. To be honest, we got it because it didn't have a lot of mousse, just a little right there.
It's minimal mousse.
Minimal use of mousse in here. So let's see how to do this. A little bit of mousse, a little bit of lemon curd, and then a little bit of the mousse is not that moussey, so it's pretty good.
It's not too moussey.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. All right. For our next offering, we went to El Artista Hambriento in the Mexican Pavilion. We got the carne asada, the croqueta, the natilla de maize, and we got the floridita. And it all looks delicious. For all of this, it was $41.74. Oh, this is the cheese, the grilled cheese. Nopales, some of that sauce. Oh yeah. Just give me a big old plate of this. It'll be good to go. Very delicious. Croqueta. All right. This is the croqueta. Should do a description. I would, but it's in my butt.
Oh, I can do it.
It looks like some sort of, I think it's shredded, it's a chicken, smoked chicken.
Like Chipotle?
Yep, and some sort of a crema on the top.
Is a chipotle chicken and chorizo croquette and chipotle salsa with chipotle aioli, avocado mousse, and truffle.
Oh my god, yeah. Yes, yes, girl. Yes, yes.
I gotta find it again. Are you recording?
Alright.
Natilla de maize. Creamy corn custard with caramelized sugar.
So it's kind of like a,
You guys gotta talk louder.
it's kind of like a flan. But it's a corn custard.
corn flan,
Corn flan.
if you will.
With popcorn. Are you ready?
Did
Did you say who you're on camera with?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm joined on camera today by J9, straight out of the 216. That's me. If you know, you know. Cheers. Cheers. Corny. It's corn.
It's called.
That is definitely a corn custard. There's a heavy corn taste.
It's like the corn casserole that you make on like Thanksgiving,
Without,
but without the
corn
chunks of
nuggets.
corn.
Without the corn nuggets.
And it's a little sweeter, and then it has little crunchy candies on it.
And the popcorn.
How would you compare it to the taste of like cornbread?
Sweet, like it's
Moosey.
not the consistency of
Oh, great.
But it's a custard.
Hi.
if you will. Hi, buddy.
Uh-oh.
All right.
It's not bad.
Do you recommend it?
It's interesting. You know, it's for people who don't necessarily like flan because of like the texture, kind of. You know, could be a little slimy. This is not slimy, and it tastes like corn, but it's also sweet. And it's got, I mean, it's not bad.
I would say that if you're sharing it with somebody, then
Yes, it's
Yes.
definitely a
I
share.
wouldn't buy it myself
Yeah, I
and eat
wouldn't
the whole
eat the
thing.
whole thing. Yeah, it's definitely a share. Yep.
So I'm gonna try this Floridita, and cheers. What's pure tequila? Some sort of juice, but this is a heavy one. Split this with somebody. But it's good. Would I order it again? Probably not. It's sweet.
If somebody bought it for me, I would.
If somebody bought it, yeah. If somebody bought it for me, I would drink it. But yeah, I'm gonna need a nap after this.
So we've got the shrimp hakao. The way I know how to say it is hakao. It's spelled like you would say hargao, but the way I was brought up, the way my Chinese grandmother said it was hakao. And it's shrimp dumplings. Shrimp dumplings with like a pumpkin puree and a chili oil drizzle. And some microgreens. That's what that is. It's good. The pumpkin puree pairs well with the sweetness with the shrimp, so it kind of brings that out. It doesn't overpower it, but kind of enhances that flavor. So it's a decent hakao. So give it a try.
This is the strawberry milk tea. It's very good. It's not like super sweet. It's like a natural strawberry flavor, not like a artificial strawberry flavor.
Are they just sugar bobas?
I think they're tapioca bobas. I don't know that I would pay the $8.75 for it again. It's good, but I don't know that it's worth $8.75.
Dig into the egg tart.
Big piece. First of all, I didn't expect it to be warm. It's okay. I don't know if I like it. Like egg crust.
I do consider myself a connoisseur of egg tarts. So this has a lot to live up to. I think like a Portuguese egg tart is a little bit more, like this looks like flaky and layered, as it should. But then like you get into it and it just sort of tastes like, I don't know, like a pie. I don't know, like it's not a regular crust. Now, it could have used maybe an extra 4 minutes in the oven or steamer. It's not quite settled in the center. It's okay. I probably wouldn't get this again.
I thought it was lacking in flavor.
We're in the American Pavilion, so we are having the deviled egg trio and the beer flight. We opted out of the chicken pot pie because I made a bunch of chicken pot pie for dinner last week, and we ate that like all last week, and so we did not really want pot pie. And we opted out of the hummingbird cake because we just didn't want any sweets right now. But so that the beer flight and the egg trio, $16.50. So I was gonna look up what these egg trios were.
Pimento cheese, green
Oh, there you
goddess,
go.
and BLT.
Say again.
Pimento cheese, green goddess, and BLT.
Oh. All right. What are we gonna do first? We'll do the middle one first. Green goddess. Oh, look at that. It's like it's suctioned. They put like a little bit on the bottom so that it wouldn't like fly off, like slide off. We're wondering how come it was. This deviled egg trio is only $6.25. So we pay $10 for like a dozen eggs. So.
We're paying market price
Yeah.
for eggs.
It's not really a deviled egg. It's just the stuff on top. And hard-boiled egg.
What?
So I think it's like a green goddess. I guess it's probably like a little deviled eggy on the top. Yeah, it's all right. And then we'll do the bacon. Lindsay doesn't like bacon. It's kind of like glued. The egg is glued. Yeah, same thing. So I think they like put the deviled egg mixture on top of the regular egg. Probably less. Yeah. Like I thought that was a toothpick. Look at this thing sticking out the top of it. Pimento cheese. Oh, by far my favorite, pimento cheese. Yeah, there you go. Delightful. Who doesn't like deviled eggs?
What would you call
Do
these
I?
deviled
I mean,
eggs?
but I think it is. I think it's the deviled egg, like, piped onto a hard-boiled egg.
Which is
now,
not a deviled egg.
Well, do you wish they would have scooped out the egg yolk and put a bunch more deviled egg mixture in there? Yes, I do. But
Here we are.
here we are. They could not hire enough children with small fingers to scoop out those little pieces of egg yolk.
Okay, weird. What hands do you have?
All right, beer flight.
Editing that out.
Here's the beer flight. So we have a Wicked Weed Brewing Pineapple Daydream IPA. Sounds delightful. Anything with pineapple, I'm a fan. Very happy for an IPA, but it does have that pineapple finish, so it's not bad. The second one is a Swamphead Brewery Neon Palette Lager. Oh, the first one was Asheville, North Carolina. This is Gainesville, Florida, so local to the state. That's not bad. It's kind of, it's a lager, but it's got like a little tang, if you will. And then last but not least, we have a Lost Coast Brewery Peanut Butter Chocolate Milk Stout from Eureka, California. You can tell. Look at that. Can't even see through that. Oh, yeah. That is chocolatey and peanut buttery. You might like that. Maybe. Not in beer form. We've got 3 items because, well, we didn't get the sushi donut because we've had the sushi donut before and it's awesome and we know it's great, but we are trying the new things, to us at least. We have the sake flight, which is a plum, a cherry, and a yuzu flavor sake. And then we have the taiyaki, which is this crisp, flaky, fish-shaped pastry filled with sweet red bean, served with whipped topping and blueberry popping boba. It's like a fish swimming in the ocean. No? Okay. Okay. I don't want to flip it over, but it's like a fish just swimming in the sea. It's adorable. And then we have the Wagyu steam bun. So it has American Wagyu beef served with the Japanese karashi mustard sauce and the violet shiso sauce. All right, let's see how it goes. And all of this together was about $33. Do some dipping in the sauces, see what that tastes like. The mustard. You'd like that, because you like the hot mustard. Yeah? It's not bad. It's a good amount of filling, I think. So I think that's, plus it tastes really good. That's a decent bun. It was $9.75 for this bun. I would not pay $9.75 anywhere else for a bun like this, except at Disney. Except at Disney. I would, because I love Japan. I love the foods at Japan, and I probably would get it again in a festival format if they didn't have anything different.
Would you get this or the sushi donut?
Ooh. See, I think I would probably get the sushi donut because I like sushi more so than this. All right, so we're gonna try this taiyaki. Again, cute little fish swimming in the sea. Little blueberry bobas. Adorable. Janine's gonna get the tail.
Tail's the best part. It's like a delicacy.
So I think it's got the red bean paste in the middle.
I'll hold it and wait.
I'm gonna put a little bit of the frosting and the boba, the little blueberry boba, like a little fish egg. The little blueberry bobas are good. What do you think? Good?
What do you think?
I like it. The flakiness, it's just really good. It's a nice, delicate, not sweet, like overpowering sweetness, like American, with all the sugars and stuff. The way they make the red bean paste is just, for me, that's sweet enough. And the little kick of the little blueberry boba helps.
I don't think I've ever.
So you've never had a plum?
What?
You've never had a plum?
I don't think so.
I can't help you.
You're like Jordan.
You gotta really think plum when you drink it.
Okay.
Plum, because it has a sour, like the skin, so, and the sweet fruit. So if you think sour and then the fruity after finish, it's like tastes like a plum.
Yeah. It's not
No?
bad.
You didn't like it?
I think it's 1, 2, and 3 for me.
What's the difference?
Well, they're all different.
Steak? Chicken?
Yeah. You did 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not as sour. This is definitely sweeter, more cherry finish.
Oh, cherry. That makes sense.
Sweeter, much sweeter. We're gonna get Janine drunk tonight.
We're gonna get you.
I'm gonna edit that out.
What?
I'm gonna edit that out.
I didn't know it was still going. Where's the? Oh, I have.
Yes, you do.
I forgot I clipped it to
Is it
myself.
on?
I don't. No, it's the red.
Yeah.
It's not on. Does that mean it's on? Okay. We've been drinking a
This
little
is gonna be in the
bit.
outtakes.
Is this snake flavor?
Snake, yeah, it's snake flavored.
It doesn't say.
Yeah, I do like that.
What flavor is it though? Snake?
Yes, it's snake flavored. Which one do you like the best?
Plum, yuzu,
That's this one. Cherry.
cherry.
I would say 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
What is this little baby called?
Sorry, I should have.
This little baby is called the avocado coconut custard tart with pomegranate cream and henna inspired gelée veil.
Wow.
Avocado coconut custard tart. All right. Oh,
It's gonna
all right. So here we go. It's fun. I mean, I think one thing about this, festival is that the food is fun, right? There's some fun element to each of the things, and this weird gelée thing that they did is
Like a fruit roll.
fun. Yeah, but it's fun. And if Alana were here, she'd be eating that flower.
Because she's weird.
Don't get me wrong, I like avocado. I don't know if it needs to be in everything. I'm sorry. It's all right.
Wow, what a day at the 2025 Epcot International Festival of the Arts. We ate a lot, we walked a lot, and we definitely soaked in all the creativity this festival has to offer. From that ube waffle at Connections Cafe to that soft shell crab slider at Opening Bites, these were all absolute winners. And that key lime pie from Deconstructed Dish and that croqueta from Mexico, definitely hitting it out of the park this festival season. But that's what makes this festival so fun. Trying new things, experiencing the flavors, and celebrating creativity. Until next time, Epcot, our taste buds will be dreaming of you and the next festival. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Disney foodie adventures. Until next time, love your journey. It's the only one you've got.